Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw USDT from Gemini to your Phantom wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know USDT is a super stable digital currency, and moving it securely is key. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresh, this tutorial will have you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Gemini and Phantom wallet. Gemini is a reliable exchange, and Phantom is great for handling tokens on networks like Solana or Ethereum. Start by logging into your Gemini account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet or Accounts section and select USDT from your holdings. Next, click on the Withdraw button for USDT. You'll see options for withdrawal methods. Choose the cryptocurrency withdrawal, as we're sending it directly to your Phantom wallet. Now, here's the crucial part. Copy your Phantom wallet address. Double-check this to avoid any mistakes, because sending to the wrong address could mean losing your funds forever. In 2025, Gemini might have enhanced security features, like two-factor authentication or biometric verification, so enable those if prompted. Enter the wallet address in the withdrawal form, specify the amount of USDT you want to withdraw, and review any network fees. USDT transactions often use networks like Tron, Ethereum, or Solana, so select the one that matches your Phantom setup to keep fees low. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a confirmation email or notification. Always verify this step. After initiating the withdrawal, keep an eye on your Phantom wallet app. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the USDT to show up, depending on network congestion. Once it arrives, you're good to go. A few quick tips. Always use a secure internet connection, never share your private keys, and consider the current market conditions for any gas fees. If you run into issues, Gemini's support or Phantom's help center is super helpful. There you have it. That's how to withdraw USDT from Gemini to Phantom wallet in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.